Presenting the latest addition to the OPPO legacy, the OPPO Reno7 and Reno7 Pro.
Is that it comes with an IMX709 sensor for the front camera. The second thing I've noticed is its fantastic DOL HDR functionality. I might need to get slightly technical here, but let's start with HDR, high definition range, a process that captures your image at different exposure and brightness levels and gives you one image with a greater dynamic range. So here are a few images that I have clicked in low light conditions. Well, as you can see, these videos have been shot using the AI feature. Isn't it amazing? As well as using the ultra wide feature. Well, this one is actually one of my favorites. Let's discuss the OPPO Reno7 Pro's high resolution camera with specs of 50 megapixel AI triple camera with 3 lenses. With IMX766 sensor for the rear camera, I can see that you can get better image quality. The OPPO Reno7 Pro also comes with a bokeh flare portrait video feature, which produces DSLR-like effects by highlighting your subject.
The phone comes in 2 brand new colors, Star Trails Blue and Starlight Black. Star Trails Blue and Starlight Black. Let's start with Star Trails Blue. इसका कलर हर लाइट कंडीशन में बदलता रहता है. At 180 grams, 7.45 mm thickness, ये फोन है अल्ट्रा स्लिम और बहुत ही लाइट वेट.
उसकी स्क्रीन पूरी एक बेजल-लेस डिस्प्ले, 1.55 mm की बेजल्स हैं और 92.8% का स्क्रीन टू बॉडी रेशियो है. OPPO Reno7 Pro के साइड्स और पूरा जो फ्रेम है is made with aircraft grade aluminum.
Thanks to the 65 watts Super VOOC plus 4500 mAh battery. मतलब you can charge it for just 5 minutes and enjoy video playback and charge the phone's 4500 mAh battery to 100% in as little as just 31 minutes.
The OPPO Reno7 Pro comes with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. इसमें 7 GB of expandable RAM. It has the most powerful MediaTek 1200 Max.
The OPPO Reno7 comes with air gesture features. You know, like you can wave your hands to scroll up and scroll down and even answer calls.
Moving on, the MTK DM900 in the OPPO Reno7. It comes with the support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring better and more stable connectivity.
I am loving the new wireless headphones brought to us by OPPO, the Enco M32. Not only does it have a 10 mm independent bass chamber, but 10 minutes of charge time can give you 20 hours of playtime. All of this, along with amazing comfort quality, makes it the best headphones out there. It has a battery life of 28 hours. If you press the volume up and down buttons together, you can switch from your phone to your watch respectively. I feel I'm going to end up using the OPPO Watch Free the most. It comes in this all-time classic black with a battery life of 14 days and a 5-minute charge that can last you the whole day. The watch comes equipped with a 1.64-inch AMOLED screen. And at 33 grams, it looks and feels great. और ये हर चीज मॉनिटर करता है. बेड टाइम रिमाइंडर से लेके स्लीप मॉनिटरिंग, रियल टाइम SpO2 मॉनिटरिंग, हार्ट रेट और आपके खराटे भी.
OPPO का Enco M32 Green goes on sale on 9th February. MOP of these wireless headphones is ₹1799. But OPPO एक exclusive launch price दे रहा है of ₹1499 from 9th February to 11th February, Enco M32 पे. Now coming to the OPPO Watch Free. Very attractive price of only ₹5999.
The Reno7 Pro series will be launched at a price $39,999, with its first sale happening on February 8th, 2022. And the Reno7 will be launched at ₹28,999, with its first sale happening on 17th February, 2022. That's not all. You can also avail the exciting offers shown on the screen. That's it from our side.